In this video, we are going to discuss about the answer network and what is an answer network and how it is configured. We'll be looking into it practically in the packet tracer. So what is an answer network? So if you go into the activity wizard, so you can see here clearly there's an activity wizard, and under the activity wizard you can see answer network. So building an answer network is nothing but you use the below concepts or components you want to assess, and also you can see about this assessment items also clearly here. So you will be saving these networks for your lesson purposes, for your students who can look after this network. And you can see under PC0 you have accessories, which is headphone and mic, which are into others, and also you can see the algorithms which are custom and default and DNS also. There is an email client, which is, if when you open it clearly you can see these are all the email clients, and it is very clear view of the email user, and using incoming mail server details and outgoing mail server information also can be saved in this answer network to explain. And also under the file section you see C directory and desktop, whereas in C directory you can see a sample file.txt is saved here. So coming under to desktop, you also see that there is a sample file.txt saved under desktop as well. So this is under PC0. So if you want to look about the PC1, which is having the same accessories algorithm settings, which are under custom device model, default gateway, and also about the DNS server IP address and IPv6 address also available here. So apart from PC0, PC1 has other section called ISATAP client, so that when you open you see the client enabled is 0, which comes under the other components here. So in the same way, when you look after the resources which are available, which is cable fault condition, cost, electricity, comes under the other components. So if you also can see about the router, they are router 1, router 0, router 2, switch 0 and switch 1 here. So again you can see about the assessment tree, it is very clearly given under the access network which is saved. There are these components available. So you can see under connectivity test, you can see the conditions, points and latest status. Based on your information you can clearly give the condition and test the cases here. About the scoring model, so this is the scoring model, and it provides complete control over constructivity activity tasks which are there in the activity wizard, and also providing feedback based on the evidences of the proficiencies. And overall feedback, you can see congratulations on completing this activity, so that you see the complete feedback about the network issues, as well as after completing the activity it gives you the feedback on your access network. You see under the settings there are time settings, feedback settings and user profile settings also available. And under time settings you can see time elapsed details, countdown details and none of the above. You can basically customize it based on your requirement. So feedback settings, enabling dynamic percentage feedback will assess the user network against this assessment tree every few seconds. So it's very clear that no dynamic feedback or giving feedback whenever you make changes into the percentage feedback dynamically is also available regarding the feedback settings here. And also you can see show answer network here, so it shows you the answer network. And also you can see here import file to answer network and export answer network file, so you can import and export files also here. So this is about the answer network, how to save, and this is the basic answer network which we have saved. And these are all components as we saw in the assessment tree. These are all routers, switches and the PC details are available in the activity wizard under the answer network.